Here I have HUAWEI Ascend G620s, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as HUAWEI Ascend logo pops up on the screen. And now let's wait a couple of seconds until the Android system recovery boots up on the screen. That's right, this is the recovery menu. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Here you've got a couple of information about your system, and you may also accomplish here the update from the ADB. You can accomplish the hard reset, so wipe data factory reset. You may also wipe cache partition or apply update from the SD card. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the first option, which is reboot system now, and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is restarting and rebooting. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Alright, as you can see, the home screen just pops up, so it means that everything went well and now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.